Hello everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be solving this interesting Olympiad question. Now first thing I'm going to split this. Alright, 19 raised to the power of x squared plus 4x multiply by 19 raised to the power of minus 21. The minus sign. The same thing here again, I'll split here because we have 19 raised to the power of x squared plus 4x in this place and also have it here. So I'm going to split this also. So write 19 raised to the power of x squared plus 4x multiplied by 19 raised to the power of minus 22 all equal to, then I'm going to reduce this to the lowest term. When I reduce it to the lowest term, I got 18 all over 19. Then the next thing I'll do now, I will say let 19 raised to the power of x squared plus 4x be equal to y. So here will now become y multiplied by 19 raised to the power of minus 21. Then minus, this place also y multiplied by 19 raised to the power of minus 22 all equal to 18 over 19. So here will be 18 all over 19. Now I can write this as y multiplied by 1 all over 19 raised to the power of 21 minus y multiplied by 1 all over 19 raised to the power of 22 equal to 18 all over 19. Then now y will multiply 1, so here will be y times 1, that's what y. So we have y all over 19 raised to the power of 21 minus y multiply 1 again, so we have y all over 19 raised to the power of 22 all equal to 18 all over 19. The next step will be to multiply each term by 19 raised to the power of 22. So I'll start by here with here. So here will be y over 19 raised to the power of 21 multiplied by 19 raised to the power of 22 minus this expression again, y all over 19 raised to the power of 22 multiplied by 19 raised to the power of 22 all equal to 18 all over 19 multiplied by 19 raised to the power of 22. Then now this, we divide this, we are now left with 1 here, so here will become y times 19, which is what, 19y minus, now this, we divide this here, so we are left with what, just y. So we say y equal to, then now 19 raised to the power of 22, we divide 19 here, so we are left with 18 multiplied by 19 raised to the power of 21. So that is it. Yeah, this divided by this, I'm left with what, 18 multiplied by 19 raised to the power of 21. Then from here now, 19y minus y will give me what, 18y equal to 18 multiplied by 19 raised to the power of 21. Then from here now, I can say that y is equal to 18 multiplied by 19 raised to the power of 21 all over 18. Now 18 is going to divide 18. We are left with y is equal to 19 raised to the power of what, 21. So this is the value for y, but we are being asked here to find what, x. So let's continue. Now, if we recall here now, we say that 19 raised to the power of x squared plus 4x is equals to y. Now, we've gotten the value of y here, so we'll say 19, that's this now, 19 raised to the power x squared plus 4x is equal to y. Y is what? 19 raised to the power of 21. So write it. 19 raised to the power of 21. Now, 19 here, this base and this base, they are the same. So 19, we divide what? 19 here. So we now have x squared plus 4x equal to 21. Now, I'm going to rearrange this to get a quadratic equation. So we write x squared plus 4x. Now, this will come inside. So here will become minus 21 equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation. I'm going to solve it using factorization method. So I'm going to write, I'll say x squared plus 7x minus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. Now I'm going to factorize these two. So what's common between them? X is common. So say x, open bracket. X squared divided by x is what? X plus 7x divided by x is what? 7. Close my bracket. Then open another bracket here again, right? X plus 7 all equal to 0. Then minus 3x divided by x, I have minus 3. Now I'm going to my roots of my equation. Factorizing, I'll get x plus 7. That is x plus 7. Open another bracket again, x minus 3. All equal to 0. Then from here now, I can see that x plus 7 equal to 0. And x minus 3 equal to 0. Then now our roots for this our equation now will now become x is equal to, take this plus 7 to this way, it changed to minus 7. X is equal to minus 7 and x is equal to, take this minus 3 here, that's what, 3. So these are our roots to the equation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.